pushed it a little hard on that.
Yeah, here you go.
Hey everybody, I'm here at the World of Concrete Trade Show. We're at the Milwaukee booth, and I'm here with Ryan, product manager for the new M18 6.5-inch circular saw. Ryan, great to see you, bud.
Great to see you again, Rob.
Can you give me kind of a deep dive on this? Like, this is great.
100%. So obviously our Gen 1 came out way back in 2013. Well due for an upgrade. This tool right here has the best in class performance. So we're talking 20% more power and 40% faster cutting speed than any 6.5 on the market. That's regardless of voltage. That's regardless if you're 40 volts, 20 volts, 18 volts. We're the fastest in the market, most powerful.
Why'd you wait so long?
Yeah, I know, man. You're telling me. So we took some weight out of it, made it a little bit more compact in size. We added a rafter hook here. A lot of times when guys are using those 6.5-inch circular saws, they're climbing up ladders. You're using them because they're lighter, so it's easier to bell hook here. Bell hook and rafter hook.
Yep.
So easy for climbing up ladders and moving around the job site. Additionally, I can show you here, we got positive bevel detents. We have a detent here at 22.5 and 45 degrees for a stop there. And then this is brand new to the world in circ saws. No one else in the market has this. We've added depth detents. So we have a positive stop here at a 1/2 inch,
oh, I gotta feel
3/4 inch, and 1.5 inch. I knew you'd be excited about it.
Oh man, oh, that feels good. I like that.
Yeah, I mean, it saves you 10 seconds here and there over the job. It's going to add up.
Tell me about the bevel. I see 50 and what? Negative?
Yep, 0 to 50. So you have 0 to 50 on there with the positive detent at 22.5 and 45. But yeah, the depth detents, like I said, we're super excited about that. New to world. Saves you time. You know, most guys, as you today, you're looking at the side of the material like this. Now you can just go, I'm at the 1.5 inch detent there, lock it down,
and you're done.
You can see, you're right there, you're done.
I don't know if you said this enough, but it comes kitted, runtime, what kind of battery is it?
So one time with a high output 6.0, you're gonna get about 300 cuts in a 2x4. We're not selling this as a kit. So
it's a bare tool.
It's a bare tool only. A lot of guys use different batteries with these. Some guys use 12, some guys use high output 3.0s. So this is a great play with Forge. So when I gave you the stats on the 20% more power, 40% faster cutting, that's based off our high output 6.0. You're going to get even better performance with this Forge 6.0. Yeah. And additionally, you know, when you're using a 6.5-inch circular saw, no one wants to put a 12.0 on there because you're using it because it's lighter. This is going to give you the 12.0 power. That's why we have them both out here. You can see the difference. They both cut great. This feels awesome. This feels even better.
And what's the depth of cut?
The depth of cuts can be 2.25 inches on here.
Okay, good.
So
easily through a 2x4. What about a 45?
45 depth of cut here is, we actually set it, to be honest, we set it at 1.56, and the reason we did that is because we measured a ton of material. We found we bought material from a bunch of suppliers. We found the thickest 2x4 was 1.56 inches that my engineers found. So we set it, I have 45 here, it will cut at 1.56 inches. Any 2x4 you get, you're gonna be able to bevel it at a 45 all the way through.
That was the flaw with the earlier version, that 2019 or whatever it was.
2013.
13.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's great because now you can use this for small framing. You can use for all that stuff. Yep. You couldn't do a 45 cut before with a 2x4.
100%. Yep. And that's why I had my engineers go out and look there. I said find the thickest 2x4 you could find. Sent them on a little bit of a journey, and they got it.
So this is going to become sold as a bare tool right now. Maybe they kit it later. And what was the price point?
It's going to be $229. So $229. It'll be available Q2 of this year.
Q2 this year. Awesome, man. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Great seeing you again, Rob. You going to cut with it now?
Yeah, let's do some cutting.
Awesome.